Hey, so what happens if you can't get a spouse or a kid or somebody else that's entitled to participate in a probate to participate? What if they refuse to cooperate? The bottom line is this. There's a guy or a gal in a big black dress, as we like to say, not exactly the white wig anymore. But if somebody doesn't want to participate, somebody doesn't want to come to the party, the person in the black robe is going to order them to participate. And they don't have to. They can sit outside the door and they could not have anything to do with the estate. That doesn't typically happen when somebody's entitled to take something from an estate or a bit of beneficiary or have something to gain from it. But from time to time, there have been circumstances where people just don't want anything to do with it. And I mean, I've had cases where people were entitled to big money, and for a variety of reasons, they just flat out do not want to cooperate or participate. More likely scenario, more typical scenario is somebody doesn't want to participate because they're living in the house for free, for an example. And they said, Dad wanted me to have it, and I don't care that I got 4 brothers and sisters that are equally entitled to this house. That person says, I'm not going to cooperate. And the bottom line is this, and this is an important takeaway, critical point, and that is anybody can open up an estate. There are laws on preference about who gets chosen first. Obviously, if the will names somebody, that's the first person. But then any creditor, any spouse, any kid, they're the one that can open up the estate and be the quarterback and make decisions and move along. So if somebody does not want to participate, you can either drag him kicking and screaming, or you can provide them notice, let them know that the person in the fancy black dress is going to be making decisions, and they could lose out. That usually brings them to the table. Or you just trudge right ahead and you do it. But one way or the other, somebody's going to get notice of the probate, and they're going to have an opportunity to participate in the probate. What they don't have the opportunity to do is to stop probate or prevent other heirs from having their lawful rights respected.